Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see an awesome daily trading strategy with 3 amazing trading view indicators. We are going to trade with Laguerre filter, Halftrend indicator and Donchian trend ribbon. The time frame will be daily. In this way we will avoid the noise of lower time frames. Anyway, remember to make your own backtests before trading with real money. Also, you can test this strategy in any time frame since the market is fractal. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us to continue growing and allow us to offer more similar content. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Laguerre filter, Halftrend indicator, Donchian trend ribbon. These are the settings for the indicators. Our first indicator is Laguerre filter. Go to tab inputs and change alpha to 0.1. We use this indicator as a trend filter. If Laguerre filter is green, the trend is bullish, and if Laguerre filter is red, the trend is bearish. Second indicator is Halftrend. We use the default settings. On tab style, we have to uncheck ATR high ribbon and ATR low ribbon to have a clearer vision of the indicator. Halftrend gives us the main signal to enter the market. Blue arrow for longs and red arrow for shorts. Our last indicator is Donchian trend ribbon. Go to tab inputs and change the period to 30. Donchian trend ribbon will give us a confirmation to enter the trade. Green histogram for long trades and red histogram for trading shorts. These are the rules for a long position. First, we need a blue arrow on Halftrend indicator. Second, Laguerre filter must be green. Third, Donchian trend ribbon must be green. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the middle line of Halftrend indicator. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, we need a red arrow on Halftrend indicator. Second, Laguerre filter must be red. Third, Donchian trend ribbon must be red. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the middle line of Halftrend indicator. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.